Material noun. A material noun is a word that refers to a physical substance or material that can be seen or touched. For example, wood, sand, water. Worksheet of material noun. Identify material noun. Read the sentence and underline the material noun. Number 1. The table is made of wood. Wood is a material noun. Number 2. The water in the pool is cold. The water is a material noun. Number 3. The fabric of the dress is soft. Fabric is a material noun. Number 4. The metal door is heavy. Metal is a material noun. The sugar in the cookies is sweet. Sugar is a material noun. For more educational video, please like and subscribe my channel.